Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to compare eBay sellers. So firstly, let's open eBay application on our device and search for the item you are interested in. For example, let's search for AirPods Pro. And scroll through the results and tap on the listing that catches your eye. For example, this one. Once you are on the item page, so we have opened the item page, scroll down to the seller information. You can find it right here, so you see the username of the seller, but also you can scroll down and here you see section about this seller. Okay, basically this is the username of the seller, and here you see feedback score of this seller. So this seller has 99% positive feedback, and also seller ratings for the last 12 months. And also you can read feedbacks from the other buyers for this seller. To open the page of the seller, tap on the username of the seller, and now we can see how many followers does this seller have, how much items were sold by this seller, and here you see section about. You can go here and read some information also about this seller. So basically, to compare with another seller, go back to the search results and tap on a different listing for the same item. So this was AirPods 2 second generation, and for example this one AirPods 2 second generation, and repeat the same process. Scroll down to the section about this seller, go to their profile and check their ratings and reviews, and pay close attention to how many items has sold this specific seller. So this way you can confidently choose a seller that will be reliable and that will have the best reputation. So that's basically how you can compare eBay sellers. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.